In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize DigitalOcean WordPress for speed and SEO. Ensuring your WordPress site is running smoothly and efficiently not only makes for happy visitors, but also helps improve your search engine rankings. So let's dive in and get your site performance up to speed. First, it's essential to keep everything updated. Start by opening your terminal and running the sudo apt update and an apt upgrade /yes command. This ensures your server is equipped with the latest security patches and performance improvements. Then, head to your WordPress dashboard and update the core, themes, and plugins to their latest versions. Keeping things up to date is crucial for performance and security, as new updates often include patches and enhancements that can boost speed. Next, let's install a caching plugin. Caching can significantly improve the speed of your site by storing data so future requests can be served faster. You can choose from popular options like Lightspeed Cache, WP Rocket, or W3 Total Cache. After installation, make sure to enable page caching and browser caching. These settings will store copies of your frequently accessed pages and site data, reducing the server load and speeding up load times for returning visitors. Don't forget to enable gzip compression as well. This compresses files before they are sent to the browser, making your site load faster. Moving on, using a content delivery network, or CDN, is highly beneficial for global performance. A CDN like Cloudflare caches your site on servers around the world, so users get faster load times regardless of their location. Connect your site to Cloudflare and make sure to add your domain and enable the proxy Orange Cloud option. This helps deliver your content more quickly by distributing the load across multiple servers. Once you've covered caching and CDNs, it's time to optimize images. Install plugins like Smush, ShortPixel, or Imagify to ensure your images are compressed without losing quality. These tools can also enable lazy loading, which means images load only when they come into view, speeding up perceived load times as users scroll down your page. Database optimization is another crucial step. Clean up your WordPress database by removing old revisions, spam comments, and transient options. Using a plugin like WP Optimize can automate this task and significantly reduce the size of your database, leading to faster site performance. Choosing a lightweight theme is also vital. Themes like Astra, GeneratePress, or Neve are designed for speed and efficiency. Avoid themes with bloated features that you don't need, as they can slow down your site considerably. Enabling object caching is another way to improve site speed. You can do this by installing a Redis server. Redis helps with faster data retrievals from your database and can be a game changer for dynamic websites. Don't forget the importance of securing your site with SSL/HTTPS, not only for security but also for SEO benefits. You can use Let's Encrypt to obtain a free SSL certificate using the command sudo certbot ngnx dyourdomain.com www.yourdomain.com. SEO is just as crucial as speed optimization. Installing a plugin like Rank Math or Yoast will help keep your meta titles, descriptions, and alt tags in check. You can also generate and submit a sitemap to Google Search Console to ensure proper indexing. Lastly, regularly monitor your site's performance using tools like PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. Keeping an eye on speed scores and optimizing accordingly can help maintain a fast-loading and user-friendly website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your DigitalOcean WordPress site is optimized for both speed and SEO, making it more enjoyable for your visitors and search engines alike. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!